You should begin your journey on our Microsoft Learn for Educators program page at aka.ms/MSLE. There's a lot of information and resources available on this page. Further, as we continue to evolve our program in response to feedback from educators and in response to changes we find in various industries, the Microsoft Learn for Educators program page will be the place to go for the most up-to-date information about the program, the available curriculum and teaching materials, new program benefits, tools for teaching, as well as new case studies and research. Our landing page provides you with a high-level overview of the program. From here, you can explore how to build your students' technical skills with curriculum and educational materials provided by Microsoft. Training and tools we offer to prepare you for delivering cutting-edge technical instruction in your classes. Examples of how institutions across the globe are making an impact in students' lives with Microsoft Learn for Educators. Additionally, at the bottom of the page, we share recommended learning paths and modules, as well as recommended resources. To get started, navigate to the Get Started button in the lower left-hand portion of the screen. This takes you to our program overview page. This page details our program options, our offerings, and our benefits. Let's stay here for a moment and review this page. Start with the program options and sign up section. This list helps me to understand all of the different offerings that are a part of the program. If I click on one, it will take me to the full description below or on a separate page. For example, if I select the Microsoft Learn for Educators community hyperlink, it takes me to the full description. As I scroll back up, I'm able to review the other offerings as well, as where to go to learn about which fundamentals and advanced role-based materials are a part of MSLE. I'm going to open those in separate tabs so that I can come back to them. From here, if you've not done so already, navigate to the Sign Up button at the end of the Program Options section and sign up. Apply as either an individual educator or an educational institution. Please review our module which covers this topic at aka.ms/MSLE Open House. Next, I'm going to select Training and Tools from the navigation pane on the left to find details for all of the ways I can get trained. Not only opportunities to learn the technical skills needed to teach Microsoft official curriculum, but also details about our virtual educator prep sessions. These on-demand sessions are an opportunity to learn tips and tricks from Microsoft technical trainers about how to prepare for your first teaching session, which labs to use and when, how to introduce topics, and other resources and materials that may help your students to be more successful on their exams. Further, this page lists out some important tools that will help you to teach. From the Microsoft Learn LTI that will ensure your students can be routed from your LMS to Microsoft Learn, where they can accrue experience points and achievements and track progress on student learning activities, to tools such as Azure DevTools for Teaching, Azure for Students, and more. On our Influence page, we showcase the various ways that higher education institutions across the globe are making an impact in students' lives by leveraging the Microsoft Learn for Educators program to build their students' technical skills and ensure that they graduate with industry-recognized certifications as well as a diploma. Finally, from the navigation pane on the left, you can select the FAQ. This addresses some of the most commonly asked questions. And if that is leaving you with needing more, you can navigate to our support page.